Avalanche truly is a mid-position digital money presently evaluated at $53.79 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $2299,633.12, or so they thought. Over the sort of past most certainly couple of years, digital forms of money, including Avalanche, laid out a genuinely impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world, and certainly are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, whereas an unfamiliar monetary forms forks, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. A few institutional financial backers even sort of consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Retail financial backers and brokers in every way that really matters are really keen on digital currencies genuinely, for example, Avax, on the grounds that this truly is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources certainly have the kind of potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately by and large brief time frame, which fundamentally is very critical. These profits explicitly are especially out of reach in every way that really matters, different business sectors, which is the justification for why most exceptionally moderate financial backers basically are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Avalanche, while the groundbreaking ones certainly commit a huge piece of their sort of cash flow to this quickly creating resource class. At this by and large specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Avalanche to the level at $53.79 where it right now sits, which in a real sense is very huge. As currently referenced, Avax truly is a mid-position cryptographic money since it possesses the 10th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the in every practical sense metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in spite of mainstream thinking. On account of Avalanche, the market capitalization most certainly remains at $2299,633.12. The significance of this boundary will sort of be especially made sense of later in a very significant manner. Our cost expectation calculation explicitly is planned in sort of such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the very present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently by and large evaluate the condition of their portfolio and truly conclude whether it needs to explicitly be reconfigured in an especially huge manner. Our calculation likewise gives sort of unique consideration to verifiable information, which certainly is key for the in every practical sense right assessment of both current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its present and future course in an unobtrusive manner. Underneath you will sort of find key selections of this verifiable information, so you also could for the most part have a comprehension of where the Avalanche market by and large is going, or so they really thought. Yesterday on Walk 28, Avax was esteemed at $54.13 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Truly recollect that digital forms of money truly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which generally is very critical. The cost change rate-wise over the said period by and large added up to 102%, which for the most part is very critical. 7 days prior on Walk 22, Avalanche basically was exchanged at $53.94 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its especially present position, showing that beneath you will basically find extremely key passages of this verifiable information, so you also could have a comprehension of where the Avalanche market truly is going in an unobtrusive manner. On February 29, which by and large was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $39.26, the cost level that in a real sense is at the distance of 36.63% from where it right now for the most part remains in a significant manner. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX especially are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, or so they basically thought. Market capitalization is another significant certainly metric that truly assists traders with truly deciding the notoriety of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, showing how our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which basically is in every practical sense imperative for the in every way that really matters right assessment of both current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its truly present and future heading in a for the most part significant manner. It's likewise used to evaluate the offer that Avalanche basically holds inside the whole cryptographic money market, most certainly. Further appearance how at this especially specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Avalanche to the level at $53.79 where it at present basically sits in a truly significant manner. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization fundamentally is somewhat basic, the flowing stock of the cash being referred to especially as duplicated by its especially current cost in a sort of large manner. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of Avax basically remains at $22,999,633.012 enough. To name it the 10th practically the biggest coin on the digital currency market, which by and large is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on Walk 28, the market capitalization of Avalanche in every practical sense remained at $24,28,251,763, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on Walk 22, the capitalization of Avax was $23,56,632,470, which essentially is very huge. A month prior, on February 29, how much by and large capital streaming around this exceptionally specific market sort of added up to $14,808.23. 677 incredibly. Most digital currency financial backers in every practical sense stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a kind of specific cryptographic money and its capacity to truly endure disturbances which really are the truly normal event on this exceptionally unstable market. The kind of greatest inventory of Avalanche by and large is 715, 748, 719 Avax. The in every practical sense, complete stockpile of Avax at present generally remains at 436, 106, 176 coins, which is very critical. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under audit in every practical sense is 377, 416, 536 Avax, which in every practical sense is very critical. This Avalanche cost expectation wouldn't certainly be especially finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the especially metric utilized by, for all intents and purposes, all digital money brokers to truly affirm the strength of the pattern and the practicality of a market move, which most certainly is genuinely critical. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain truly is happening on the rear of the very low exchanging volume, there generally is a by and large high likelihood that this move generally is unreasonable and would in a real sense bring about a bullish snare, which generally is genuinely huge. Subsequently, it's vital to, in every practical sense, dissect the precise past and the genuinely current exchanging volume of Avax request to explicitly comprehend whether this market has a basic strength, which truly is genuinely critical. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume on the Avalanche market especially was enlisted at $446.75 in a truly significant manner. Yesterday on Walk 28, Avax especially had an exchanging volume of $87,708,255, which basically shows that yesterday on Walk 28, Avax in every practical sense had an exchanging volume of